Meaning of headbutt.
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 Headbutt. Headbutt is a physical action where someone forcefully hits another person with their head. This can be intentional or accidental and is often seen in combat sports such as boxing or wrestling. The result of a headbutt can range from a minor injury to a serious concussion or even death. As a means of attack, it can be an effective tool when used properly, but it is also a dangerous move that should only be executed with proper training and caution. Overall, headbutting someone can have serious consequences and should not be taken lightly.